Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to see Spotify Wrapped. So if we enter our Spotify and you see the interface of the app, you're gonna see all music, podcast, and Wrapped. Okay, in the Wrapped, you're gonna see the highlights of 2023. After we click on it, the big right of like a card kind of a thing, you're gonna just click inside and you will see the highlights, right? But if you didn't see this update, the new update, go back to your screen, go ahead to the App Store or Google Play and just search for the Spotify app and make sure that you updated the app to the latest version so you can actually get access to all the new features. If you have updated the app and you're still facing that issue, just go ahead to the Spotify, click the search and search for Wrapped, okay? And you're gonna see it in the first result at the top. Click on it and you're gonna just click Wrapped right here, 2023, and you're gonna see all the highlights, okay? Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.